Hey everyone, it's Matt from My Model Y Adventure, and I wanted to do a battery health test. So I have about 7% battery left. The car is currently charging because I just plugged it in, and I want to see after over a year of ownership, 22,498 miles, what type of degradation that my battery in my 2024 Model Y Performance has experienced. So stay tuned and I'll walk you through step by step how you can do this to see what your battery degradation is. So from your car, you want to go to the car icon and you want to go to service. And then you want to scroll all the way down and you'll see battery health. So you want to go ahead and press that. The screen's going to come up to basically walk you through step by step what you're going to do. Now, there are a couple of things you should do before you run this test. They're outlined here. One of the most important is your battery level is 20% or less. The lower you can make your battery, the better it will be in terms of timing. Because if you are a higher state of charge, your car needs to discharge more battery before the test can begin. So mine's at 8%. We just got back from a trip. So I figured right now, let's go ahead and get this set up. You can't have any software updates that are scheduled. You know, it kind of walks you through it. And of course, your car has to be plugged in to a charging that can provide at least 5 kilowatts of power. This test can take up to 17 hours to complete. So keep that in mind if you needed to use your car for something. I'm doing this overnight. You need to do something like leave for work in the morning. You probably don't want to do this, starting at night. Really depends on kind of what your capabilities are. You also are going to have your vehicle, the HVAC system or other things are going to run as it kind of outlines here. So you're going to hear potentially your car, your garage, if it's parked indoors, could get warmer because of the heat that the car is generating to use the energy. So I'm going to go ahead and click start test right now. It is 7:34 p.m. and we'll see how long this test is going to take. So I'm not going to monitor this hour by hour to see how things go. I'll just check in the morning when I get up and kind of see where things stand, and we'll see what it is. So I'm going to click start test. We can see here estimated time 17 hours. Battery level is 8%. I don't know if you can hear, but the fans kicked on louder in the front of the car to basically start using energy to bring this battery down to zero so it can kind of do that test. If for whatever reason you needed to cancel this, you just hold this button here and it will cancel. So stay tuned and we'll see what the results are. So I just wanted to give a quick update. It's about 10:30 at night. We can see 7 hours remaining. Battery level is at 2%. So I don't know if it has depleted the 8% down to zero and now it's just charging back up. Or if it still is from 8% down to 2 and it still has more to go. I'm assuming it went down to zero and now it's charging back up. But I guess we'll see in the morning where things stand. All right, well, I got a notification on my phone saying the battery test is done. And the results are 90%. So 10% degradation in about a year and 3 months of ownership. So I've seen worse. I'm happy with those results. It is what it is. Nothing really I can do to change it. So hope at least you guys found this helpful on how to run the test or start it, the kind of criteria you need or should have to do it, and then you get your results. I did hear that this test is going away in, I think, the next software update. So if you are looking to run this test, I would definitely recommend sooner than later. Thanks for watching. This was Matt from My Model Y Adventure.